welcome back to another session of Commerce class with me, Suman Rathore. Students, scientific management means application of science to management. It is knowing exactly what you want your men to do and then seeing that they do it in the best and the cheapest way. Now there are two approaches of management. First is traditional approach of management and second is scientific approach of management. Now the traditional approach of management is considered to be not so reliable as it was based on trial and error method in finding solution to various business problems. Whereas the scientific approach of management is more logical as it stresses on scientific study and analysis of work and situation in finding solution to various managerial problems. And not only this, there are various other advantages of scientific management. Like first is reduction in cost of production. Now scientific management helps in reducing the cost of production as it focuses on improving the methods of production by determining the standard time required to do a job, best way of doing a job, etc. और ना सिर्फ ये बल्कि साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट ये भी डिटरमाइन करता है कि कौन सा टूल्स और इक्विपमेंट यूज़ किए जाने चाहिए and what would be the most suitable factor of production. As such, scientific management helps in reducing the cost of production. And second is effective planning and control. Now, scientific management focuses on scientific study and analysis of work and situation, और फिर वो according to the requirements of the management and the organization के short term and long term goals decide करता है, suitable people appoint करता है and other resources arrange करता है so that the organization can achieve its goal. और अगर किसी वजह से कुछ deviations रह जाते हैं तो ये वो reasons पता करके उनके remedial actions लेता है. So as such, scientific management helps in effective planning and control, which is very much essential for the success of the organization and the management. Next is increase in profits. Now, जब organization में traditional management which was based on trial and error method, उसकी जगह पे scientific analysis and study से काम किया जा रहा हो, standardized equipments and materials use किए जा रहे हों, scientific methods of production use किए जा रहे हों, then it is quite obvious that the profits of the organization will increase. And all this is happening with the total cooperation of the workers, which is the best part of scientific management. Next is better relations between management and workers. Scientific management, by developing principles like harmony, not discord, and cooperation, not individualism, stresses on improving the relationship between management and workers. It knows that the prosperity of the employer cannot exist for a long time unless it is accompanied by the prosperity for the employees. As such, management shares the gains of the company with the workers, and workers also work hard with loyalty and discipline to increase the profits because now they know that the extra profits of the company will be shared with them. So the chances of disputes are minimized. As such, scientific management helps in improving the relations between management and workers. Next is benefits of specialization. In scientific management, procedure for selection of workers is designed scientifically. Right people are appointed at right place to improve efficiency. And management भी workers के further education and training पे invest करता है जिससे कि workers के skills develop होते हैं. And management is able to avail the benefits of specialization. Next is prosperous society. Now scientific management, by eliminating wastages of resources and efforts, focuses on maximum production at minimum cost. It is also helpful in improving the standard of living of workers and society and ensures the efficient utilization of resources. As such, It makes the society prosperous. So now we can say that scientific management is very effective tool for efficient and successful operations of the business enterprise. That's all for today. Thanks for staying in tune and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye for now.